Psychological factors influencing consumer decision-making. Every day, consumers make countless purchasing decisions, from choosing what to eat to selecting high-end products. Consumer decision-making is a complex psychological process shaped by various internal and external influences. From interpreting product information to forming preferences, multiple cognitive and emotional factors determine why consumers choose one product over another. Businesses that understand these psychological triggers can create effective marketing strategies to influence purchasing behavior and build strong customer relationships. Understanding the different psychological influences. One of the most important factors is perception. Consumers don't just see a product, they interpret it through the lens of their past experiences, personal bias, and even sensory inputs like color and packaging. Marketers use specific design elements to shape these perceptions. For example, luxury brands use elegant, minimalist packaging to convey sophistication, while vibrant colors and playful designs attract younger consumers. Another key factor is motivation. People buy products based on different levels of needs. This concept is well explained by Maslow's hierarchy, which suggests that consumers first prioritize essentials like food and shelter before seeking products that satisfy emotional, social, or self-fulfillment needs. This explains why fast food brands emphasize affordability and convenience, while premium brands focus on status and exclusivity. Learning and memory play a significant role in consumer choices. Consumers tend to gravitate toward familiar brands because of previous positive experiences or strong advertising recall. Companies use consistent branding, catchy jingles, and repeated exposure to ensure their products remain top of mind. For instance, if a person hears a familiar brand slogan in a commercial, they are more likely to choose that brand when shopping, even without actively thinking about it. Consumer preferences are also shaped by attitudes and beliefs. These are formed through cultural background, personal values, and past experiences. For example, a person who values sustainability will seek out eco-friendly brands, while someone with a strong brand loyalty to a particular tech company may always buy from them, regardless of competitors. Marketers use long-term engagement strategies to reinforce positive attitudes toward their brands. Another major influence is emotion. Many purchasing decisions are made based on feelings rather than logic. Advertisements that evoke happiness, nostalgia, or excitement create emotional connections with brands, making consumers more likely to purchase. Limited time offers and fear of missing out marketing techniques also play on consumer emotions, encouraging impulse buys. This is why heartwarming holiday ads or emotionally compelling charity campaigns are so effective in driving engagement. Finally, social influences significantly impact purchasing behavior. Friends, family, social media influencers, and cultural trends shape what consumers choose to buy. A positive recommendation from a trusted source can strongly influence purchasing decisions. For example, a beauty product endorsed by a celebrity or influencer often sees a surge in demand. Social proof, such as customer testimonials and online reviews, also plays a huge role in building credibility and trust. To summarize, understanding the psychological factors behind consumer decision-making helps businesses tailor their marketing strategies to influence purchasing behavior effectively. By leveraging perception, motivation, memory, attitudes, emotions, and social influence, brands can build stronger relationships with consumers and drive long-term success. As technology evolves, psychological insights will continue to play a critical role in shaping how businesses engage with their audiences in an increasingly competitive marketplace.